So next up, we're going to be showing you how to find your first FBA deals. And this can seem like a really daunting task when you do start Amazon FBA, because where should you be looking? What should you be looking for? So I'm going to be running you through some things you can be doing to help you when you're first starting your journey. Learning to find FBA deals is a skill, it is an art, and it takes a lot of time to master. So it's really important not to get disheartened when you're first starting if it takes you that little bit longer to find your first FBA deal. But as with anything, the more time you spend doing it, the easier it does become. So in this method, we won't really be using any software like our deal finder. We're going to be doing manual sourcing, and the sort of thing we would be doing if we're brand new and trying to find our FBA deals. Now, for most people who join our platform, when they ask us, how do I do this? The thing we recommend is to start off by looking at our deal of the day feature. Our deal of the day feature is a free feature for all of our members. It's where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday to all of our customers, just to give them inspiration on the types of deals out there. If you have seen our previous videos, you'll probably know about this already, but the idea is just to help people, show them what's out there, any potential sales on, any offers on at the moment. And that is a big thing about online arbitrage, is a lot of the things you're going to be buying are probably going to be sale items. There might be an offer on it, so 3 for 2 on a certain line, or 30% off a certain line. And that's where you can really make good money, by focusing on these lines. So on the screen now, you'll be able to see deal of the day. So it's in our Discord community, and you can see we just send in loads of different products with the links to where you can buy them from. And as I always like to remind people, we don't recommend to buy any of these deals just because they do get seen by so many people. But you'll see deals from the website Boots, Tony and Guy, Claire's Accessories, Campus Gifts, Natino, Home Bargains, and a lot of these websites you will know, but some of them you probably haven't ever heard of. Ocado, which I'm sure you've probably heard of. Natino, which is a great website. Or if you're in the US, we've got Sunny Sports, Webster & Store, I think that is, Zuli, Comic Empire, Barnes & Noble, of course, a popular one. So this would be my first step, is learning the websites, having a look at what other types of products are out there, because once you've got these, you can start to branch off looking for your deals. So I'm going to be showing you an example on a UK product, and it's from the website Boots. So let's just open this up and show you a method of sourcing you can use. The actual sourcing side, the first thing we're always looking for is it selling on Amazon for more than we can buy it for? So we found this one for £7.46. And it sells on Amazon for £17.99. Now that might be a high price now, it might be a low price now, but that's our first thing we want to be looking for. We're not going to be wanting to buy this deal just because this deal is going to be seen by a lot of people. It's probably going to become quite saturated, but we know that at the moment, Boots obviously have offers on the brand Soap and Glory, and we know that we can sell this. That's great. We're going to try and find other products by branching off of this, and it's really easy to do. All we have to do is just type in Soap and Glory, and it's going to bring up all these products, and look, you'll see half price, 30%, 25%, 30%, 30%, save a third on selected, and there's loads of other products which may potentially be a good deal for us for Amazon FBA. So on our search, we've come across this is Soap and Glory, the Righteous Butter Mini 50 millilitres, which we can buy for £2.95, but there's actually a deal, so it's 3 for 2 at the moment. So that means one unit would actually only cost us £1.96. Now, I found this exact same product on Amazon for £8.98, so we're buying it for £1.96, and it's selling on Amazon for £8.98, so 4 times the price, which is amazing. Ideally, when sourcing your FBA deals, you're going to want about a 50% markup. If you're buying it for £5, you want it to be £10 on Amazon. If you buy it for $20, you want it to be $40 on Amazon, for example. And the reason for this is because obviously you have to account for your fees. So you have many fees, as you probably know already, and you need to account for this on top of your profit margin. So using the double method, that should give you enough. Now, a product like this, we're getting obviously 4 times, so our profit is going to be much better, which is brilliant. So using offers is obviously a great way to find FBA deals, but it's not just offer items you'll find. You will just find FBA deals on random items. So this one here is on Asda, for example, and it's a shampoo and conditioner. We can buy this for £2.50. We can see on Amazon it sells for £8.50. Now, the key with sourcing is persistence. There isn't any quick way of finding deals. You just have to be persistent and search. Go through lots of different websites. You will come across FBA deals. You are just going to have to spend a lot of time doing it, and that is probably the biggest downside about Amazon FBA, and it is the hardest part about Amazon FBA. It's the amount of time you do have to spend trying to source your FBA deals.